Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm going to be making another tethering video here. I flashed the CM7 Rom and I want to see if the CM7 Rom will be able to allow you to 4G tether. Of course your phone has to be rooted and all that good stuff, so if you do not have a rooted phone, you probably you won't be able to do any of this. So I'm going to try to first turn on the 4G, which wireless setting, wireless networks, Wimax. Go ahead and turn that on. And if you're not in the 4G area, of course you cannot tether with 4G. And the Wi-Fi tethering is free. You don't have to be subscribed to Sprint's hotspot or anything. You get that along with the ROM. You get that along with most ROMs that you're going to download. Is that it's going to be standard that you will be able to tether for free. However, some ROMs don't allow you to tether with 4G, which is the video I did before with Men's ROM. It didn't allow me to 4G tether at all. So we're connected to the 4G, as you see the little logo at the top. Probably hard for me to focus, but alright, so we're there and we're gonna go to tethering. We're gonna just go ahead and check it. Alright, so it says tethering or hotspot active. So we're now active. And if you want to set up a passphrase, you definitely can. You can just go to the configure, and as you can see here, security, just going to pull that window down and use WPA2 PSK, and that'll allow you to set up your passphrase for you to tether. And once you do that, then you're good to go. You're going to just enter the same passphrase into the whatever device you're going to be connecting to. I'm going to be using my laptop here, and I previously saved the network into the Wi-Fi network into my network, so it automatically connected once I activated that. So that's why it says connected already. But if this is your first time doing it, it won't say that. You're gonna have to find the device in the networks, and it should be something like Android or whatever name you've given it. If you haven't set up a name, it should be a stock Android or Evo or something like that. And you're gonna go ahead and connect to that. And if you did enter in your passphrase, you're gonna enter that in the field, and you should be good to go. So first we'll do a speed test, and these are the results of the speed test that I just did a second ago when I tried it out. And I was getting 2.13 download speed and 0.97 for upload speed. So that's with 4G. And it looks like the test gives me a little bit of a better score this time around on the download, 2.69, and upload 0.95. So that's done. Then you can let's see if we can load up a video on YouTube just to see how that's going. We're gonna try the HD.
Dear PlayStation, I hear there's a new way to play Killzone 3 with the PlayStation Move.
It's called the Sharpshooter, or as I like to call it, Daddy's Little Helper. It's got this rapid-fire trigger, realistic reload feature, and ridiculous accuracy. I'm playing this in 3D like 5-6 hours a day.
At work? How do you get away with that?
So yeah, when I tried it before, the video loaded pretty well. It still was a few stops in it, but you know, it was still pretty much loading the videos at a decent speed. And you know, it's so huge increase from 3G, more than double.
Hey, what's up guys, Gold Glove here, and I have a special
really
commentary for you guys, and it's a video commentary as well.
Okay.
Miss Xerox paper box.
So if you can take a look here, it's
this is her gameplay.
not too bad. You know, it's loading. It hasn't stopped yet, but it's a little bit laggy. It's lagging behind a little bit, but it's you know, it's doing it.
Anyway,
let's try HD if they have that option. So not bad, really. I mean, if you're gonna be using your Sprint phone as your main source of your internet or IP, then you probably won't want to do something like download, like any major downloads. You probably won't be able to do some minimal downloads. You can probably do, but if you're uploading and downloading constantly, say if you're using like views or something like that, then you probably don't want to use that. And from what I've heard, there is no real limit that Sprint is set on tethering, but since you're not really using Sprint's hotspot, I'm not sure. Pretty sure they can still see what how much data you're using, but if you get an unlimited data plan, you should be set. They haven't really put a cap on it that I've heard of yet, so not bad. I mean, not you know, you don't want to replace your regular internet, your DSL or your cable internet for it, but you know, it'll definitely hold you over in times when you don't have it. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you guys. Go ahead and comment and rate, and let me know what you guys think.